Well, senators are still working on their $3.5 trillion budget reconciliation package, and Democrats are addressing one of their top priorities in a new way: immigration reform. Our Washington correspondent Matt Knadler explains.
After the Senate parliamentarian ruled a path to citizenship for the estimated 8 million undocumented immigrants could not be included in the Senate's reconciliation package, now a new push. Democrats on the Senate Judiciary Committee are working behind the scenes this week to include other, more narrow immigration policies.
We intend to get that part done. And I think there's a way to address the parliamentarians' concerns.
Sources familiar with those talks tell us that could include focusing more on the registry process and eliminating other procedural barriers instead of creating a direct pathway. The previous proposal allowed for Dreamers, TPS recipients, and essential workers to achieve lawful permanent residence status. But reconciliation is a budget tool, meaning Democrats will have to find a sort of an economic link to include any sort of immigration reform.
Believe me, we're not going to let the matter drop. So we're pushing ahead with another proposal.
Meanwhile, other senators are shoring up one of President Biden's top goals, the American Families Plan, hundreds of billions of dollars for home and community-based services.
The seniors, they get skilled care in the nursing home. We want to make sure that people can get the same kind of care, skilled care, in a home-based setting.
Pennsylvania Senator Bob Casey has introduced legislation that would invest in home care workers and expand access to quality care for seniors and people with disabilities. More than 820,000 Americans are currently waiting for HCBS care.
They don't want to be limited to just the choice of a nursing home.
As those talks continue, a bigger challenge for supporters of the plan, courting moderates who say the $3.5 trillion price tag is simply too expensive. In Washington, Matt Knadler reporting.